What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this. They're French vanilla coffee pods for brewers and Arabica beans. This has 20 eco-friendly pods. You can see here there's a perforation here, so you can just kind of have a flap that opens up. But I'm just going to open one up here and show you what they look like. And so you get these little pods. And the cool thing about these things, looks like something I used to carry in my wallet, is that you just tear them open and you get a wonderful little French vanilla pod. This side down, it's the bigger side, the kind of that hangs down. And then you can throw this in your single serve coffee maker. You could throw it in a regular coffee maker, you know, especially if you're just going to brew a single cup. They're not very huge, they're not very large, right? So you're not going to want to use one of these to, I don't know, make 4 or 5 cups of coffee. But you can certainly make yourself a cup of coffee, a delicious cup of coffee with just the right amount of beans, and then throw this away without kind of getting grounds all over everything, dirtying up a filter, all that, finding a paper filter, you know, just to make a small cup of coffee. So kind of a good way to do that. Heck, I feel like you could actually just throw this into a cup of hot water, kind of like a tea bag, and brew yourself a personal cup of coffee too. Even though that's not what it's meant for. But I feel like you could do it. And I will also say that I can smell this. Man, it does smell like vanilla, that's for sure. Oh man, I gotta go brew myself a cup of coffee now. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.